Enhance your career with ICTQual CPD course in Understanding Profit and Loss Statements. This essential course is designed for individuals looking to deepen their understanding of one of the most crucial financial documents in business. A profit and loss statement, often referred to as a PL statement, provides a clear picture of a company's financial performance over a specific period. In this course, you will learn how to read, interpret, and analyze this vital financial report. By completing the ICTQual CPD course in Understanding Profit and Loss Statements, you will gain valuable skills that empower you to analyze financial performance and drive business success. Mandatory units of this qualification are: Advanced Overview of Profit and Loss Statements, Detailed Analysis Techniques, Strategic Interpretation and Decision Making. This course is ideal for finance professionals, accountants, business owners, managers and executives, investment analysts, students and graduates. What is the duration of this course? ICTQual CPD course in Understanding Profit and Loss Statements is a 1-hour training program. This training program has mandatory assessment which will be conducted through approved training centers. Certification will be issued within 24 hours after the successful completion of this course. Successfully completing this qualification will grant learner 1 CPD hour in Understanding Profit and Loss Statements. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at 𝗪𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀.ictqqual.co.uk for more qualifications and information.